Hey guys, welcome back to Zalea channel. We have special guest Asia, and today we're gonna be showing you
making a video.
Yeah, we're gonna be showing you slime. So we just made it, and we have our activator. Our glue is almost gone, so we didn't want to put it in our video because then we're gonna be wanting more. So, and it's clear. Hold on. I made a bubble. Okay. I made a bubble, guys.
I want some more cheese.
Sorry, guys. The camera keeps falling. I don't know. I can't see myself. See, I'm got. Okay. It's very, very good. Oh, guys, and we got another slime we made too. It's this blue slime. So we got two slimes.
This is what I bought for my hands, Alan. Janelle.
Let's say peace to it.
Cocoa butter.
No. It's got the oatmeal in it.
Peace.